Hey, good morning everyone. Thank you so much for coming back. This is Crypto India and I'm your host Shiv. This is a channel we talk about cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, altcoin, Ethereum, blockchain space, news developments, sentiments, everything. So thank you so much for coming back here. I welcome all of you, and if you are new to this channel, go ahead and click on subscribe. We have daily videos which will keep you updated on the news and happenings around cryptocurrency world. So don't forget to click on subscribe. Let's start with the coin market cap today. So we have prices. We have Bitcoin very close to 5k. It's about 4,738 US dollars. So it's consistently been growing. So I'm sure I think it's going to be touching 5k very soon, and that's going to be a historic uh, price so far. So that will be the first time ever that it will be touching 5,000. Ethereum you have about 390, so again very close to 400 US dollar. You have Bitcoin Cash about 590, Ripple at about 25 cents, and you have Litecoin at about 72 US dollar, which has grown from $40 from last month. IOTA, I spoke to you guys in a couple of last videos, is been growing now. It's from 82 cents to 86 cents now, and Dash is at 381 US dollar, which is again grown from 360 to 381. So overall, we see a rapid, consistent growth in all the cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin and altcoins, which is a very good news. I spoke to you guys in my last videos about Coinex Exchange, which is in India, which is trading in couple of altcoins like Ethereum, Omisgo, and Bitcoin Cash, which is a good news because the Bitcoin transactions have gone really high. So just in case sometimes you want to encash your cryptocurrencies, like, so you don't have to go actually via wire. You don't have to go to Bitcoin first and sell. I think Coinex is a very good example wherein you can actually sell your altcoins for rupees, and your amount gets credited to your bank account, and then you can withdraw, and then you can use it for your purposes. Considering not many merchants are using cryptocurrencies right now, and that is the only challenge right now for somebody who is involved into cryptocurrencies. So as of now, it is mainly used for uh, storage value, right? Which is okay. I mean, now another thing is that you have so Uber, the cab company, has got a new CEO, and his name is Dara Khosrow. He's an Iranian, Dara. Now it turns out that Dara is actually was earlier with Expedia, and he is also an early adopter of Bitcoin. And he was during his tenure with Expedia. Expedia obviously did well, and also Expedia was one of the company who was accepting Bitcoin. And of course, this comes from the belief of Dara, because Dara has been an early adopter. He understands the Bitcoin technology, blockchain technology, and he is now joined Uber. So it is very much possible that you might see in near future Uber accepting Bitcoins. I'm not sure whether this will be direct acceptance of Bitcoin payments or cryptocurrency payment, or will this be through some exchanges or some fiat currency payment platform. But it is quite possible that you will have Uber accepting Bitcoins very soon, because of the CEO who actually believes in this technology. And yeah, so Uber had also switched to accepting Bitcoin through Zapio and other credit cards in Argentina. So Uber was accepting Bitcoins in Argentina with some Zappo and other debit cards, like I told you. So as possible, it's not possible to accept directly Bitcoins. Then you have the payment platform through which the cryptocurrencies gets converted into fiat, and that is how the companies accept Bitcoins. So that is another news. And Dubai is Dubai. There is another news which shows Dubai goes blockchain to become fintech hub for the East. Now Dubai has planned to adopt blockchain, and they accept by 2020 all their government's infrastructure will be built on blockchain, including the fintech companies. So I will leave you with the link in the description below so that you can read these news, guys. All I mean to say is that blockchain is rapidly being adopted by various countries for their government work also, and along with blockchain, of course, the cryptocurrencies are on a boom. So overall, looks great for this space. Yeah. So let me know what your thoughts and opinions are on this, and it's great to be connected. And thank you so much for watching, guys. And let me know if you're looking at any new ICOs, or what are the altcoins you're looking at from the investment point of view. What are your thoughts and opinions, and just share them, and let's be connected. And thank you so much for watching this one. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and click on subscribe. Share this video with your friends, let them know this channel exists, and you're free to ask me questions if you have. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a nice day. I'll see you in my next video.